When this massive outdoor LED wall rolled into Azar Pixel, it had one mission: get back on the road better than ever. This is the story how we brought it back to life. We started with the mapping. The system ran on a Toshiba panels and processors, a setup that hasn't been supported for years. No manuals, no guidance, but that's where the real experts shine. Our team rebuilt the entire configuration from scratch, tracing the signal flows, resolving connectivity issues, and bringing the display back to its perfect sync. A persistent yellow bar had been haunting the screen for months. We dug deep and found the issue in the processing firmware and handled and fixed in-house. But fixing a screen isn't enough. We believe in building confidence. That's why we train their lead tech on every aspect of the system mapping, software updates, and ongoing maintenance, so the crew is set up for success long after the repair. From there, full cleanup, cable management, and a detailed inspection of every panel. Because quality isn't just how it works, it's how it looks, feels, and performs in the real world. This wasn't just a repair, it was a revival. If you got an LED wall that needs a second life, call Azar Pixel. We don't just fix problems, we bring value and restore confidence and deliver peace of mind.